Welcome. By the end of this lesson, you will have the OpenAI Python client installed, your API key stored safely, and your first chat completion running locally. Production-ready setup in under 10 minutes. 5 things to have ready. Python 3.8 or newer, comfort with pip and a terminal, a free OpenAI account at platform.openai.com. A funded API key, $5 of credit is plenty for everything we'll do. And any editor you like, VS Code is a great default. 4 commands in your terminal. Create a virtual environment so this project's dependencies don't pollute your system Python. Activate it. Install the OpenAI SDK plus Python dotenv for managing secrets. Then verify with a one-liner. If that runs silently, you're ready to write code. Step 1. Never hard-code your API key. Create a file called .env in your project root with the line OpenAI API key equals your key. This Python snippet does the rest. Load.env pulls the file into the environment, os.getEnv reads the value, and we raise a clear error if it is missing. That early check saves you from confusing failures later. 4 homes for an API key, a .env file for local development, and crucially add it to gitignore so you never commit it. Real environment variables in production, a dedicated secret manager for teams that share infrastructure, and never hard-coded, never in the repo, never in a code review screenshot. Now the actual call. Import the OpenAI client, construct it. The constructor reads OpenAI API key from the environment automatically, no arguments needed. Call chat.completions.create with a model name and a list of messages. Print the response. Run it, and you get a real answer back from OpenAI. That is the whole first call in 11 lines. A leaked API key is annoying. Rotate it and move on. A leaked key committed to Git is a quarterly review. Treat secrets accordingly. Production ready means wrapping the call in a function with a timeout and error handling. Set timeout to 30 seconds so a slow network does not hang your app. Catch the API error exception to handle 500s, rate limits, and bad requests cleanly. Return a string from the function regardless of outcome. Now you have something the rest of your code can rely on. 5 pitfalls that catch beginners. Committing your .env file to Git. Always gitignore it first. Typos in the OpenAI API key environment variable name. Free tier rate limits, which a funded key lifts. An outdated SDK. Pin the OpenAI version in your requirements file. And model name typos give clear error messages. Read them before reaching for Stack Overflow. That is it. You have the client installed, secrets safely loaded, your first completion working, and production-ready error handling. Now go build something. Even a small script that solves one real problem beats 1,000 tutorials.